In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a floating effect to elements in CapCut PC. Launch the CapCut app. Create a new project by clicking on Create Project. Import your element and background image into the timeline by clicking the Import button. Import your background image first to the timeline. Now import the element that you want to apply the floating effect to. Resize or reposition the element to your liking. Navigate to the Animation tab in the top right menu. Search for and select an animation called Slide Up. Click on Effects in the top left toolbar. Search for an effect called Play Pendulum. Drag the effect onto the element in your timeline. Here you can see that the element is showing a floating effect.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.